Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll explain how you can cast this nothing phone to your projector easily within a minute. See here, this is my brand new nothing 4A mobile. Okay, and this is the projector. So I just turn on the projector here. See, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the projector which is projecting the screen on this wall. And now if I want to mirror this on the screen, it is very easy. Let me first of all switch off the light so that you'll get better view. Yeah, the room is still has light. That's the reason the brightness level is not that good here. Let me switch on the light and show you the options how you can mirror. So this is the remote of the projector. This projector is FOSO. I have purchased for 13,000 rupees. And see here, there is an option called Miracast here. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, this one, this Miracast, right? So what you can do is you can just go to the navigation and select OK for this Miracast, so that the projector will be in Miracast. Not only for nothing, for any mobile which has the casting options, you can cast. Now this is in the screen mirroring mode, or the what is this, searching mode. Okay, now on my nothing mobile I'll be opening the settings, and under the settings, first of all let me show you the system settings here. Not the system settings, the operating system currently running here is, when I click on about phone, see here, it is nothing OS 4.1, right? And on the settings at the top, search, just search for like cast, just cast, and you will get this option, cast, connected device, connected preferences. And here again you will find cast. Click on this cast, and automatically this detects the name of your projector. But remember one thing, this phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi which is connected to this projector. So the condition is your phone and your projector, the projector should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And this projector I purchased for 13,000 rupees. Click on connecting here, just click on connecting. Disconnect, I'll say first of all, previously disconnected, right? So I'll be tapping on this. Now it is saying like connected. It is now trying to connect, this phone is trying to connect to the yeah, see here, ready to play. So whatever which is on my screen will be projecting on the screen. See here, yeah, maybe I can increase the brightness or what. Yeah. Right, if I open YouTube, okay, sorry, yeah, I'm not playing more than that because of the copyright issue. So this is how easily maybe I can switch off the light. Yeah, still the room is getting the light. It is daytime I'm recording, that's the reason it is showing up like this. Yeah, anyway, okay, anyway, I guess this tutorial will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.